though there would have been words and story in between that. The framework, and this is going to come with practice area, okay? And this is also going to come with memorization, because we're telling you things that you haven't even practiced yet, but you're doing a great job even just on the fly. But the reason why I gave you that illustration is because we need to package and shorten this just a little bit. Because with corporate executives in the audience that we're looking at, their attention span is ADD. And we need to keep them engaged not only with your story and your passion, but what's important to them is sports. How they know who you are is sports. And what they're looking for is help. So, as Nasir and I were talking in the back, one of the things that we'd like you to do is connect your history, basketball, in your learning of what leadership is, what obviously ignited the book and other things, right? And bring it closer to home to help them. One of the things that you did that I like to see a little differently is you saved the 4 things for last. I'd like you to talk about a story. I'd like for you then to talk about the 4 things, because you've got to keep them engaged. So they're engaged with that story because they have children, they get it, right? But there's 4 things because they're writing now, because remember the ADD that they're going to have that's going to sneak up on them in a moment. Then you're going to talk about the book.